video I will show you how to install and remove SwiftUI packages using Swift Package Manager. I'm going to be install this library. This is one of the third-party library. I just going to be use this library for blur effect. You can copy this URL. Just click this code and you can get this URL of this package name. Just copy this one and you can see the documentation of this library. Go to Xcode, open file, there is a add package option, just click this one and search your package name, then select this package and add package. This will add in your project. After adding, just go to your project and import this library, import SwiftUIX. I just import this library here. After import, you can use this library feature, visual effect blur view dot light. Just making resume this window. Yeah, we got this output. You can change the dark mode or system mode. System mode will be by default switch based on your phone dark or light version. Likewise, you can add this library in your project and you can use that third-party feature in your project. Go to our project. You can also delete this library. Just click this one and click the delete button. You can also remove this package from your project. Yes, I just want to remove this package. Removed. So this package is removed from our project.